Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have here the Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment that I got in the shade Nude Nova as part of my December 2022 Boxycharm Premium Box. So this is a $26 retail value. And I'm going to just read the description here because I think it gives a lot of great information. It says, this serum lip product provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. Formulated with a natural lip volumizing ingredient derived from biomolecules extracted from pomegranate flowers along with liquefied jojoba wax, this lip conditioning treatment adds luxurious, long-lasting shine and cushion. So I deal with very dry, chapped lips, and when my lips get very dry and chapped like they are right now, they look really dull in color as well. So I love when a product also has a color to it along with being super hydrating. So I'm really excited to see what this Nude Nova shade is going to look like on me. And so it's a big lip product, nice packaging here. And it's got a big doe foot applicator. It doesn't have a scent to it though. I almost expect it to, but it doesn't. I feel like if it did have that scent, I would be happy about it, but it's also fine that it doesn't have a fragrance. But okay, before I apply it to my lips, let's go ahead and swatch it because this actually doesn't look super colored. Wow, yeah, this is actually pretty much clear. I'm kind of bummed about that. I was hoping that this would have more of a nude shade to it, but really, that is basically completely clear. We'll go ahead and see how it is on my lips, but I'm thinking it's just gonna look clear on my lips anyways. So, before I rub my lips together, the difference between the bottom lip and the top lip with color. I would say it's basically just looking clear. It does have pretty shine though, and a nice thick texture, which is immediately hydrating. Yeah, it gives such a slippy feel to the lips, not at all sticky. So I love the look and the feel of this. I love how it really does deeply, immediately, completely moisturize my lips. I'm just kind of bummed about this one because it doesn't have that color that I was hoping this would have, but it's still such a nice, thick, moisturizing gloss is how I would basically describe it. So since it doesn't have a shade to it, like a color tint to it, this would be a nice lip topper, but I do prefer when it also already has a color in it. Just makes it a little bit easier. So this is a super quick review, but I just really love everything about this. I just wish it had, maybe a scent to it, more color, but if you're looking for something super hydrating with that gloss, not sticky, this really is such a nice product. I mean, $26 is pricey because you can get those same qualities in much less expensive products, but it has this kind of luxurious packaging as well. So I do really like this product. I hope that the next product that I get to try out from the brand Make will not just be another one of these serum balms. As much as I like them, I want to try out more products from this brand. So if you've tried this out or any other products from the brand Make, let me hear about that in the comments down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.